Alright mate, my name is Victor. I come over from UK, now moved to Mauritius, just finished my Upaya course, very well structured, good environment, teachers have got a good balance of discipline and all the little tips, tricks and everything you need. I can barely remember people's names, and I know how to push all the different asanas, like so many different poses, the names of the poses. They run through it all to make sure you can flow through it, and then one by one, another lesson, they'll teach you how to tweak every single one of them. They make sure you know it properly. Not only do they make sure you know it properly, they make sure you know where to push, how to align, where the hand should be, where the eyes should see, all the different mantras you say before and after the meditation, relaxation sessions, back bending sessions, hip opening sessions. Yeah, it's jam-packed, and I can't even fathom how I managed to actually learn it all with the memory I have, but I just know it all. And at the beginning I was like, God, this is too much, but somehow they managed to get it in you, and I'm so confident now to go back and spread what I know and develop and expand. So much expansion has happened. Not only the teachers and the literature and the structure and the information that you get, but the environment, I think, is very key. The environment around me and where I am, even with the food and everything, is just so good to grow and expand for a yoga teacher. 100%, I definitely recommend it. I swear my life on it. Namaste.